Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails for another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. So basically what I'm concerned about at the moment is two of my birds has got something wrong with their eye, as you can see there. If it'll focus. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot better than it was, but that one there as well has got it on the other side of its head. It's like all yellow and like weeping, so I just need to find out what that is, because it seems to be spreading, because two of my young ones had it and they've died, and now that one's had it, and now that one's got it as well. So I just need to find out what it is. So any comments below, please leave them in the section and let me know. I put a fish bowl of water down for them to bath in. It's been absolutely awful weather, rain on and off. I don't know if the summit's gone, but we've had rain on and off for the last 4 weeks, 5 weeks. This is awful. So again, this is going to be my last update video for the next 2 weeks, because I'm going away on holiday next week, so I won't be here to make any update videos for you guys. I'll be back in 2 weeks time, and hopefully more news will come and see what happens. So yeah. So I'll show you guys what's going on in the back. So first still on eggs. These eggs will probably hatch whilst I'm away. She's how many eggs? Oh, she's on 2 eggs. What was laid this week. And we have 2 babies here, as you can see. They're a week old, and she's on 2 eggs. Again, they're probably hatched whilst I'm away. So I'm going to see if I can get that other bird and show you what's wrong with it. Yeah, it's every year it's something. There we go. As you can see, no, you can't see it. So. Its eyes all like not well, so I just need to find out what that is. Please leave your comment in the comment section below. I'll try and remember the best to answer them. Yeah, so for next update videos will be in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, so look out for that. Look out for another update video in the next 2 weeks as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe on my channel, give my videos a big thumbs up if you like the content. If you've got any questions about my birds or your birds, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my very best to answer them. And look out for another update video in the next 2 weeks. So thank you guys for watching.